If you're relying on email to be notified of business class buying event activity, you could be missing out, especially if you're using free email services. Some providers, including Gmail, mislabel member intel reports as spam, causing you to miss out. Of the free services, Yahoo, Hotmail, and Outlook offer the highest intel to deliverability rates. Consider creating a free account with these providers or using enterprise email not hosted on G Suite. Secondly, all member intel reports are added to the master directory, viewable from inside your account. When new reports are issued, we tweet it. If you haven't done so already, follow us on X, formerly Twitter, at Passport Prem. That's Passport, PREM, to be alerted when buying events are detected and new reports are available. Remember, live help is always available by selecting the support code function within your account. Make this the year of flying comfortably while saving big, and I'll see you up front.